All right, so we're still looking at writing systems from context. This time we're going to look at four numbers with a twist. So it's just the same as this four numbers, but there's a twist on that second equation. That second equation, the twist is that you need to write it and check it because sometimes the words are very confusing. So again, highlight all your numbers. So people, people, and guess is another way of saying people, right? And where's one more number? Look, I can't find the number, so it's in words. See, twice as many large rooms as small rooms. So what does twice mean? Times two. This is the twist. Instead of giving you that fourth number, they give it to you in words, okay? So again, this is the first equation is people, 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 people. All right, so people plus people equals people. So define the variables. Let S be small rooms, and it's the number of small rooms from our question. Let L be the number of large rooms. Okay, so again, just like you did with regular four numbers, people, people, people. So 3S for small plus 4L for large equals 66, guess. The second one with a twist, you have to write it and check. Twice as many large rooms as small room. So that's either going to mean 2L equals S or 2S equals L. Now, which one is it? What is twice as many large rooms as small rooms? Now, you do need to keep this in mind. Twice as many large rooms means that there'll be more large rooms. That's going to come in handy later. More large rooms, okay? I'm going to make up some numbers for this, okay? So I'm going to say, let's say that we have 10 large rooms. I made that up, okay? How many small rooms would I have? So 2 times L, which is 2 times 10, would be 20. So if I had 10, I would have 20 small. I'm going to use the same number. So this time my small rooms is 20. How many large rooms do I have? So 2 times 20 would be what? 40. So these are my two situations. And remember my question, I need more large rooms than small. I've got 10 large and 20 small. That's not it. 20 small and L large is 40. That's right, because the large needs to be bigger than the small. So my actual equation is 2S equals L. So if you're having problems understanding what twice as many large as small rooms mean, then you write it out twice and make up a number. All right, let's do another one. So again, highlight all your numbers. This time we have 7 more accessories than phones. What does more than mean? More than is plus, okay? Let's define our variables. What do we have? All right, we'll go use P for phones, and then we'll use A for accessories, and the question says the number. So the number of phones sold, the number of accessories. All right, again, first equation is find the 3 words, commission, 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 and then write it out. So 14P plus 350 with A equals 129.50. Again, for that second one, you're going to write out 2 equations and then see which one is true. But before you do, you need to know which one is more. So 7 more accessories. So at the end of the day, I'm expecting more accessories. So whichever equation it has given more accessories. All right, so let's write down the 2 options I may think it is. 7 more means add, right? So it's going to be either 7 plus P equals A or 7 plus A equals P. Which one is it? So let's make up some numbers. I'm going to make up P is 13. So 7 plus 13 would give me what? 20. So A would be 20. Then start off with that same number, 20. So A is 20. And then what would P be when you plug it in? So if A is 20, 7 plus 20 is 27. Now I'm looking for the one that gives me more accessories. Which one of those is more accessories? So phone is 13, accessories 20, that's more. Let me double check. Accessories is 20, phone is 27, so that's not it. Right? So accessories needs to be more, that's the equation. Then you just write the equation down. All right, let's take a look at one more. All right, so again, highlight all your numbers. All right, find the one with the 3. All right, so it's more than, so it's going to be addition. Find the one with the 3, but let's define our variables first. Let B equals, and what the question say, number of babysitting hours. Don't write what I'm writing, write down what I'm saying. Number of hours babysitting. Let L be the number of hours landscaping. All right, so line up money, money, money. So 7B plus 8L equals the other money, which is 134. All right, find your twist. Okay, so again, 2 more hours babysitting, so more babysitting. Make sure you always write that down. More babysitting. So whichever one of my 2 equations, it needs to be more babysitting. All right, 2 more hours is plus 2. All right, so write down my 2 equations that it could be. Plug in the numbers and tell me which one is correct. All right, so again, there are 3 types of questions you might get. Now, I do need to add a note. Okay, if you get anything with percentages, before you write those down, you need to convert it into decimals. What that means is you need to divide it by 100. So for example, if you had 8% commission, before you write it down, you would need to do 8 divided by 100, which would be 0.08, and that's the number that you use. Let's practice.